Alright, welcome to our tutorial video on K-Limbs liquidation and Moss. I'm Alex Fender, and I'll be presenting to you the show how to make a radio ad for a convenience store. So, this is for Fooms Convenience, and I will be back with the website. Alright, I'm back, and this is Fooms' official website. You have this stuffed dog offer, teapot set. Now you can play teapot 12. Those back to school offers. The Outlook Blue one, which I'll update the website tomorrow. Yeah, I'm overly admin who runs this website. This is one little advertisement for Make Fooms a Breakfast Stop. And everything right there. So, I'm going to show you how to make a radio ad for beginners. And this is for Fooms Movie Direct.
Attention everyone, back to school is just around the corner. Coming up at the end of August, Zoom's Convenience Store and Grill has an unbeatable back to school offer just for you. Get 2 DVDs plus 1 video game for any gaming console for the incredibly low price of only $14.99. Don't wait, head over to zoomsconvenience.com, click on Movie Direct, select the offer, send the offer code back to school to your email, and visit your nearest Zoom store to claim your deal. Remember, this amazing offer ends Sunday, August 25th. Act now because summer will be ending in September, and you don't want to miss out. Plus, with our Zoom's quality price guarantee, you know you're getting the best deal around. And if you buy today, we'll throw in a Blu-ray absolutely free. That's 2 DVDs, 1 video game, all for just $14.99. And if you act now, a free Blu-ray. Back to school is coming at the end of August, so don't delay. This offer ends Sunday, August 25th. Go to zoomsconvenience.com, click Movie Direct, select the offer, and use the code Back to School to claim your deal today. Your neighborhood convenience store. Visit us at zoomsconvenience.com.
So that's the radio commercial about the back to school offer, where you can get three DVDs and a box set. And this is a transcript for the commercial. So, it then plays Quality Price Guaranteed, the name of the song by the convenience store company. Then it shows all the elements throughout the entire transcript, including the sound effects, which I downloaded them from freesound.org. And then here's that little transcript checklist. You have the intro, saying that announcing back to school is coming up at the end of August. Then make an offer. The offer comes with actually 2 DVDs and a video game for any gaming console for an absolute low price for only $14.99. Then it gives a call to action early, then providing a code Back to School. Then the deadline comes with Sunday, August 25th being the last day, with only 1 day before all schools begin. Then it gives a reason to act now. Summer will be ending in September. Then it includes the quality price guarantee feel. Then also includes a Blu-ray. Then it's going to be restating the entire offer, the deadline, the call to action, and finishing by the following: your neighborhood convenience store, foomsconvenience.com, which is foomsvsag.website2.me. Then it gives the AI to write the transcript because preferably I use AI by going to Copilot to write the ads. It can help me do anything. So, it looks like that could be it for anything. Stay tuned for liquidation videos coming up. And that's the tutorial. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video. Who enjoys this video? And that will be it.